Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Blue color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for bat. C. C for cap. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. Red color. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for hen. I for inkpot. J. J for joker. Black color. A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cap. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F. F for fan. G. G for girl. H. H for house. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about blue color, black color, red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.